Hello my dear students, lenses are the optical devices which transmit and reflect the lights. In our earlier chapters we have studied about the structure of the human eye, and we know the front part of the human eye, which is transparent in nature, is known as cornea, which reflect most of the light and help in forming the image on retina. Behind the cornea, there is iris which decides the color of the eye, and the opening of the iris is pupil which controls the amount of the light entering into the human eye. Behind these, there is a transparent structure which is colorless and is known as lens, eye lens, which is held in position with the help of the ciliary muscles. With the help of the ciliary muscles, lens changes its curvature to see far off and nearby objects. While seeing the far off objects, the lens decreases its focal length and forms the image on retina. And to see the nearby objects, the lens increases its focal length and converts the light on retina. Ability of the lens to adjust its focal length with the help of ciliary muscles is known as power of accommodations. As we know, the image of the object is formed on the retina, that is inverted in nature, and the electrolytic signals from this image is sent to the mind with the help of optic nerves, and our mind help then rectify the image. In normal human eye, a normal human eye can see the object clearly, which is at distance of 25 centimeter from the eye, and this distance of 25 centimeter is known as least distance of distinct vision. To see the far off objects, a normal human eye can see the objects which are at a distance of 25 centimeter to infinity. Due to some refractive defects, eye cannot see the objects clearly. The type of these refractive defects is: first is hypermetropia, second myopia, third presbyopia, and fourth astigmatism. First we will discuss hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as long-sightedness. In this defect, no human eye cannot see the nearby objects. When the light rays comes from the nearby objects, then converge behind the retina. This is due to decrease in size of eyeball. This defect can be corrected with the help of the convex lens. Convex lens converts the light rays on retina. The second is myopia, which is also known as short-sightedness. In this defect, the eye is not able to see the far off objects. The light rays coming from the far off objects converges in front of the retina. This is due to increase in size of eyeball, and this defect is corrected by with help of the lens which is known as concave lens. Concave lens focus the rays on the retina. The third defect is presbyopia, which generally occurs in the old age persons. In this defect, nearby and far off objects are not clearly seen. This is due to weakness of the ciliary muscles of the eye. The nearby objects image formed behind the retina, so convex lens can be used, and in some cases nearby and far off cannot be seen, so a special type of lens is used which is known as bifocal lens, the upper part of which is concave and the lower part is convex lens. The last defect, refractive defects, is astigmatism. In this defect, human eye is not able to focus in horizontal and vertical directions simultaneously. This type of defect can be corrected by with the help of a cylindrical lens, which is of the nature as shown here. Thank you, my dear students.